Find the cosine of u plus v given the following. Sine of u is 12/13 and u is between 0 and pi over 2, meaning it's in the first quadrant. Sine of v is negative 3/5 and v is between 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, meaning it's in the fourth quadrant. Well, first thing I like to do is I like to draw a picture and then figure out what all the sine and cosine ratios are for u and v, and then go ahead and apply the cosine sum formula. So for this situation here, quadrant 1, we have the sine of u is 12/13, and here's u. And so here's the 12 and 13. Okay, now we need to figure out what this missing side length is here. And this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, 13, so it's going to be a 5 here. And if you don't know your triple, you can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for it. So sine of u we know is 12/13. Cosine of u, based on this work, is going to be 5/13. Okay, now let's look at this situation over here. Quadrant 4. So this angle all the way around here, this is going to be v. Now the hypotenuse is 5, and the opposite is 3. This means it's going to be a 4 here. Again, a Pythagorean triple. So the cosine of v is going to be 4/5. All right, so that's all we need to know. Now I'm going to apply the cosine sum formula. Cosine of u plus v equals cosine of u times cosine of v minus sine of u times sine of v. So cosine of u we said is 5/13, and cosine of v we said is 4/5, minus sine of u we said is 12/13, and sine of v we said is negative 3/5. So let's go ahead and simplify here. 5 times 4 is 20. 13 times 5 is 65. And then 12 times negative 3 is negative 36 over 65. And 20 minus negative 36, that's 20 plus 36. And that's all going to be over 65. So that equals 56 over 65. Okay, so let's review the process. Sketch right triangles based on the given information to determine what the other trig ratios were, cosine u and cosine v. And then we apply the cosine sum formula, and then simplified to get 56 over 65 as the cosine of u plus v.